Hello everyone, so we are here now at Spadina Street. We are going to the well, and we took that train from Union Station. So we're planning to visit this a brand new building here in downtown Toronto. They call it the Well. Was established I think only last year. They started building it since 2017 and they finished last year. So ito yung the Well, dating Army Reserve place, and then naging magazine station. And so it's gonna be like 5 to 10 minutes walk from here. So ito na yung building na sinasabi ko, yung The Well. That's one. Very close sa CN Tower. Yan ang CN Tower. Okay. Malapit na tayo. Mabuti siguro dito na tayo dumaan. Oh, 5. So hindi ako sigurado kung yung building na yan nasa kanan ay kasama nitong The Well, but we will see. Doon tayo dadaan sa entrance ng malapit sa Spadina Street. So ito yung Spadina Street. So tingnan natin ito. Yeah, it's a huge building. So this is my first time to come in this place. We'll see. The Well. This is a combination of shopping mall, condominium, restaurant and everything. Wow. Huge. This is amazing building. The structure is pretty amazing. Beautiful place. Let's go down over there. I'm totally amazed with this new place. Napakaganda. Let's see what's going on. So actually this area is also part of the building, which I thought in the first time it's not, but it's part of the building. Wow, look at this. Ang ganda. Ganun sana kung may bulaklak dito. Now let's go downstairs. Oh boy. Weather today is a little bit colder now. I thought it's going to be 21 degrees, but now it's cold. Malamig. Ano kayang pinipilahan ng mga to? Maybe air food. Beautiful and huge. Ang laki. Oh, there's a market here. Wow. So this is the market and restaurant. Fresh one. Yan. Food. Oh, look at this different color. It's samosa. Oh, what's this? Let's go inside. Oh, it's more restaurant here. restaurant. Chen Chen. Oh, look at this. Kabani. There's Uncle Tetsubi. Oh, maybe we'll try this one. I think there are more to see in this building. It's just very big to explore. We'll do it next time. But for now, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And this is the well.